Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ahana and here we talk about all things related to stationery, planners, productivity, organization and in general living your best life. And if that interests you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon to be notified every single time I post a new video. A few months back there was this huge promotion that Odd Giraffe did with Starbucks. I think it was on the 1st of September that they were releasing their special Starbucks edition notebook. And of course, I had to go get it. Actually, shout out to my friend Devina. I didn't go get it, I was not feeling well. She got it for me. And they were just giving this away with your Starbucks order on that particular day, and it looked so stunning. I just had to have it. That's why I want to just give you a glimpse of what this notebook looks like. Of course, there is the Starbucks logo, but there's also really nice gold embossed designs, and I think this is obviously of the Starbucks mermaid patterns and nice little coral reef designs which are lightly embossed, some with gold, some with like green, but it's beautiful. They have this Starbucks rewards written over here because you had to have the Starbucks rewards card, and given the amount of coffee I have, of course I had the Starbucks reward card. And yeah, at the back it just says Odd Giraffe plus Starbucks. Everything is this beautiful green color because of course it's the color of Starbucks. It says especially brewed for. I haven't written anything because obviously, as I do with all my stationery, I want to share it with you guys first before I start using it. And then it's a lot of note pages, so it's a proper notebook. And the best thing are these stickers. So there are these sheets of stickers over here, and look at that. Brew your best ideas, little coffee cups. Let's get Starbucks, which I'm going to paste on my head because that's what I always keep telling my friends. Then, but first coffee, this mug, tall grande venti, brewed with love. Today's good mood is sponsored by coffee. This is a very relevant one. And yeah, this is a very short video. I just wanted to show you all the stickers that are here and what this notebook looks like. I absolutely love it. It is definitely going to be part of my 2025 planner stack. And if you are interested to know what my planner stack is going to be, please stay subscribed and turn on the notifications because that video is going to be coming up very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.